Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see the annotation in AutoCAD. First of all, we need to know what is annotation. Annotation objects include dimensions, notes, and other types of explanatory symbols or objects commonly used to add information to your drawing. Annotation objects provide info about a feature such as the length of a wall or a diameter of a circle or a diameter of a fastener or a detailed callout. It will give the information about your drawing. Okay. So how can we give the annotations? In annotation we will be having these text, dimension, and dimension is again we can measure the dimension in linear, aligned, angular or arc length, radius, diameter, ordinate, and jogged. All these measurements are done in this. And a leader, add leader. These are the another video we will be discussing about these. But now we will be discussing about how to add text and how to give dimensions. So I wanted to type. So let us draw a rectangle. RAC rectangle. Enter. Specify. Okay. So I have to give. So let us. I wanted to give this as a name room. Okay. So we have to specify the first corner by clicking on text. We will be getting two multi-line text and single line text. In single line we will be getting only single line. In multi-line text we can add multiple lines of text. So let us say like first multi-line. Okay. Enter. So rectangular enter. This is how we can also move it and enter. Specify base font. Okay. This is how we can give the names. If we want to take this single line, let us take specify first point and specify the height. So 3 let us take. Specify the rotation angle. Let us take 30 degrees. So we have got this type of. Okay. So let us type AutoCAD. AutoCAD on this. Here we can see we have taken the height of this text as 3 centimeters. So it is okay. Let us type in single line text. We have to specify the. So let us take from here. Specify height. Let us take 0.5. Specify height. Rotation angle 0. So this one is the single line text. Okay. Let us give name as height. You can see here. We have selected the height of the single line text as 0.15. That's why it is in big. it is bigger than this one. And now let us take multiline text. Okay. So here we got another ribbon area, that is text editor. Here we can change the style, formatting, paragraph, which that one is bullets or numbering or line spacing or justification we can do, and number of columns. If you want to add symbols, we can add symbols, and we can check the spellings and edit from dictionary, ruler. We can measure that. And at last, close the text editor. After editing the text, we can close it. So let us take this annotative. Okay. So these are not important, that much important. So here we can change it. So let us type AutoCAD. So I want this text in various format. So let us take this one, Euro Roman, or we can take this text. Okay. So we can change the color also. Let us take this one like this, and we can make bolder, or we can underline. So I want to underline this on top. So we got this AutoCAD, and top one line has came. So take another one, text, go to text, multiline text, specify corners. Okay. Now we can change it. Just take this one and color this one. Let us make it as and strike through. So let us type circle. See, we have got the striken line through it. And all this we can change from here. So multiline, specify other corner point. Let us take dot as let us make changes. Let us take this color and font as this one, and I want in bold and underline. Dot. So I want dot square. So I have typed this. For this I don't want a line. Okay. Here we can see I have typed that dot square. Like this we can change the text and edit them. Justification. Okay, let us type AutoCAD is very useful software. We can drag it. So let us take this one or this one, or we can make it center. and right and justification. Okay, so let us make it as middle one and give line spacing as 1.5 so that we can give gap between them, and if you want bullets you can use it. So first one, or we can use it as lettered, so lowercase we want or uppercase, either we wish. Bullets you want. Okay, start, continue, all of these are options. Let us have this, we can use this all. In layers we can change the color of it, which color we want. This is all about the how to add text and how to edit it. So thank you.